guys! Welcome back to my channel, Kailangan Artihan. And alam ko, sobrang tagal ko nang gumawa ng last vlog. I think it was like 2 months ago. Yeah, but today, I'm not gonna make any beauty vlog or makeup vlog. Because today, I'm going to show my other side, which is my pagka-chef side. Yes, I love to cook. And I love my kitchen, my very, very own BBQ chicken wings. Yes. And I'm going to teach you guys how to make it. It's very simple and easy. Yes, just like me. Simple. Shout out. Yes, so let's start. So before I continue with my video, so I actually stopped the intro, and then while I was playing it, I can actually hear my kids in the background. Like they were screaming, oh my goodness. And they were in our room. They're in our room right now. See, oh my god. How can I fucking do this right now? But anyway, yeah, I just want to explain that, okay? That is not my fault. Those are my kids, and I'm not gonna stop them because they're actually having fun killing each other. Yeah, let's go. So before you start, guys, you have to preheat your oven. You wanna press bake, and then here's the temperature. Ayan. 440, and then you start. There you go. So guys, bago natin siya ilagay sa oven, we have to coat it. And we're gonna start with the oil. So I'm going to use olive oil for the coating. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then next is your salt. So half teaspoon of salt. And then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Ta-da! Sobrang sarap nito, guys. Sobrang sarap eh. Titirik ang mata nyo. Halo mo siya, baby. Halo mo siya. And I'm gonna use my hand. It's very clean. Kasi katapos ko lang magbanyo, tapos naghugas na ako ng kamay. Yan. So you just mix it until everything is coated. Ayan. Himala ang tahimik mo ng mga junakis ko. Like earlier, I couldn't start it because they were really screaming. And by the way, guys, when I said they were killing each other, it's not actually like literally killing each other. They're killing each other in the game. They were playing, I think, Roblox or Fortnite. So yeah, I think everything is set. Yes. Look at that. Look at that shit. Okay na, guys. Sobra na. Okay, guys. So, lalagay na natin yung coated chicken sa baking sheet. And, guys, kailangan nyo siyang i-cover ng aluminum foil because it's gonna be really messy later. And you don't want to do extra work for that, So, let's start. Ilatag nyo lang, guys. Yan, latag nyo lang. Hindi na kailangan, pahirapan pang sarili, ha? Ilatag nyo lang, ganyan lang. Huwag na yung, Yan, tuloy. Ayaw kumapit. Hala! What's wrong? Ayan, ilatag nyo lang. Wait nga lang, di ako sanay sa kaliwa, eh. Yan, ilalatag lang natin sila ng ganyan. Kasi mamaya, sa tiyan na natin sila mapupunta. dami pala. Hindi ko na siya na-realize. Take time to realize, baby. Wow, ang dami. Oh my God. It's okay because my baby's gonna kill this later when he gets home from work. Hi, baby. How are you, habibi? I miss you, habibi. Okay, guys. So there you go. Now it's ready. Let's put it in the oven. And oh my God. I am vlogging, son. Look who's here. Look who's here. Hey. And he has a YouTube video. I mean, he has a YouTube channel too. So guys, can you please subscribe to my channel? Hey, you have to endorse your channel. Okay. Come on. What's your YouTube channel's name?
My YouTube channel name YouTube channel name is Kaden Gamer.
Yes, this Kaden Gamer. If you see like 2 subscriber after you type his name, that's his YouTube channel, guys.
Mom, it starts with a K and it's purple. That's all. So it's just
K and purple. I thought it was brown.
Yeah, I think it's brown.
Yeah, I think it's
brown.
See, it's brown. Okay, guys, subscribe to his channel, and of course, subscribe to my channel. And what else? What can you say? Oh, what can you say about mommy's wings? You gotta tell them the truth, son. Tell them.
Okay. I think my mom's wings are very good, and especially her cooking. All of her cooking, especially Korean barbecue chicken.
What about these wings right here?
I don't. What kind of wings?
This is the barbecue wings that I made on Tajay's birthday.
Oh, I like those.
Okay, so bye guys. See you later. Let's put it in the oven.
Bye.
So for the sauce, guys, you're gonna use barbecue sauce, honey, and sriracha. This is just for extra spiciness. Yeah, but if you don't want it, you can use ketchup. So I have my, I don't know about the pot, or a small pot right here. So approximately like 1 cup, approximately like 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Yes, 1 cup of barbecue sauce, and maybe, I don't know about the honey.
Like a lot of honey?
No, I think like 2 to 3. Oh, that's strong. 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. And sriracha, I just use like 1 tablespoon because David don't really like spicy food.
Which is Dad.
Yes, that's Dad. Nasa likod ko. So yeah, you just mix it and try to taste it.
Mom, I just noticed that whenever you whenever someone subscribes to your channel, you see in your what do you call it, in your when you log onto your phone.
So yeah, after the 45 minutes, after the wings are cooked, you just coat this. You just coat it with this sauce. Aw, thank you. And put it back in the oven and bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Excuse me. Oh my God! Thank you. The sriracha is so strong.
I just smell spiciness.
It's 20 minutes. Tapos na siya. So you just have to flip it. Ang init. Grabe. Kaloka. So guys, we're gonna coat it with the barbecue sauce, honey, and sriracha that I made earlier. And using your makeup brush, charot. Itong brush, ano ko ang tawag dito? Cooking brush ba? So yan, coat nyo lang siya. Don't be stingy about it, okay? Because you want it to be like stick. You want it to stick on the chicken. Oh, ganon. Huwag magtipid sa barbecue sauce, guys. Mayaman tayo eh. Diba? So guys, we just finished coating it with the barbecue sauce, honey, and sriracha. And now we're gonna put it back in the oven and bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes, and that's it.
Mom, I hope